Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to make your TikTok account private. Full guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here. After you open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on profile right here. They take you to your account. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings and privacy. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on account. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply turn this button on. With that, you have successfully enabled private account on TikTok. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.